So next question is question number 8 from exercise 7.1 of class 9 mathematics. The question is question number 8. The question is, in a right triangle ABC, right angle at C, in a right triangle ABC, right angle at C, M is the midpoint of AB. M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. C is joined to M. C is joined to M. And produce to point D such that DM is equal to CM. DM is equal to CM given. This DM is equal to CM. It is also given. DM is equal to CM. Next, point D is joined to point B so that triangle AMC congruent triangle BMD. First point, triangle AMC congruent triangle BMD. First proof we have to do number 1. What we have to do? Triangle AMC congruent triangle AMC congruent triangle BMD. These two triangles are congruent. We have to show. Now, while proving congruent, we have to look this for these two triangle properly first. In this two, so the name of the triangle is triangle AMC and BMD. Look at triangle AMC and BMD. Triangle AMC. This one is our triangle AMC. AMC and triangle BMD. This one is our triangle BMD. Now look at this triangle, these two triangle. So we have to show it congruent. Now clearly it is given that AM is equal to BM. AM is equal to BM. AM is in triangle AMC and BM is in triangle BMD. While taking these two triangle AM and BM, first point I can write AM is equal to BM. AM is in triangle AMC and BM is in triangle BMD. Why I have taken this? Because in the question itself given M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. That's why I have written like this. So since M is the midpoint, of AB, first thing is over. One point is over. Next, CM is equal to DM. It is given. CM is in triangle AMC and DM is in triangle BMD. So CM is equal to DM. This is given. CM is equal to DM. Next one, observe these two triangle will get these two vertically opposite angles. One is BMD, another one is AMC. These two are vertically opposite angles. So which these angles are included in between these two sides. So next third point I can write angle AMC is equal to angle BMD, vertically opposite angle. So I got two sides are equal, side angle side. So according to side angle side criteria, these two triangle will be congruent. And for triangle AMC congruent triangle BMD, side angle side rule. Now since these two triangle are congruent, we can say their corresponding part also equal. Corresponding parts will be all equal. If two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts will also be equal. Now corresponding parts means, first one, in this particular triangle BD is the side and in that particular triangle AC is the side. Okay, so these two sides will be equal. AC is equal to BD. I can write therefore AC is equal to BD, and I can write angle this one and angle this one. That means angle ACM is equal to angle BDM. Both are equal. CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. And angle ACM is equal to angle BDM. CPCT. Okay, first part is over. Proving the first part is over. Next, second part. Let's move to the second part, number 2. So number 2 is second one. What to prove? Second one, we have to prove that second one, angle DBC is right angle. Second one we have to show that angle DBC is 90 degree. That is angle DBC. This angle DBC means this angle is equal to 90 degree. We have to show. Now first point, how to show? We can write these two angles are equal. I have shown it. So first point I will write angle ACM is equal to angle BD. BDM. It is already proved. Angle ACM is equal to angle BDM. These two. Now look at this angle and this angle. These two angles are what? These two angles are seems to be alternate angles, if I am not wrong. Look at this angle BDM and look at AC. These are alternate angles. Seems to be alternate angles. If I look the angles, two angles, it will be similar. Seems to be alternate angle. This one and this one. These are alternate angles. Okay. But so I will write what here? But these are alternate angles. Alternate angles. Since this and this are alternate angle, therefore I can say AC is parallel to BD. Alternate angles, that's why I can say AC is parallel to BD. AC will be parallel to BD. Therefore I will write, therefore AC parallel to BD. Why I have written AC parallel to BD? Very simple one. Why I have written AC parallel to BD? Because these two are alternate angles. Alternate angles are equal means what? This has to be parallel. We already know if two lines are parallel, then the alternate angles are equal. Oppositely, we can say if alternate angles are equal, then the two lines will be parallel. So these two lines are parallel. Okay. Next one, what should I write? Since these two lines are parallel, this line and this line are parallel. So we all know the interior angle property, that is interior angles on the same side of transversal. Sum of the interior angles of same side of transversal is 180 degree. Now look at this side and this side. AC and BD sides are parallel. Now if I take this B angle, completely B angle and completely C angle, these two angles, say this, in simplification I have done here. This line and this line are parallel. So this side, this angle and this angle, if I add these two angles, it will be 180 degree according to interior angles property. So I will write that only now. Therefore I will write angle. Therefore angle I will write DBC plus angle I will write ACB is equal to 180 degree. So I have used this one. Why? Because it is interior angles on the same side of transversal. So I will write it co-interior angle. Simply I will write co-interior angle. That is interior angles on the same side of transversal is 180 degree. I have used here. Now look at here. Already I know C, angle C, 90 degree I know, because in the question itself they have told that in the question itself it is mentioned that the ABC triangle is right angle at C. That means C angle is 90 degree. The measure of C angle is 90 degree. So in place of ACB I will write 90 degree. Angle DBC plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now take that 90 degree on that side. I will take angle D. I will get angle DBC is equal to 90 degree. 180 degree minus 90 degree, it will be 90 degree. So that is what we are supposed to prove in number 2. Angle DBC is equal to 90 degree. That is AP angle DBC is right angle triangle. So okay, the second one is also proved. Second one is proved. Now let us move to the third part. Very simple to understand. Just think it. Use the congruence rule and use interior angle property. Next one is the third one. Question is we have to show triangle. Third one is also very simple one. What we have to do, we have to just take out the two triangles. Third one in the triangle, what is that? Third one we have to show DBC and ACB. Third one, triangle DBC and triangle ACB. We have to show that these two triangles are congruent. So simple. Take the two triangles. Look at which parts are equal within those two triangles. Which parts are equal? You just look at it. First one, DBC. In triangle DBC and triangle ACB, what I can write? DB is equal to AC. I can write DB is equal to AC. I can write. It is already proved. In first number only I have proved it by using CPCT. So very first point I can write DB is equal to AC. It is already proved. In number 1 itself I have proved this one by using CPCT. DB is equal to AC, proved. Next, what I can write? Angle DBC. Angle angle, just while in number 2 we have proved now angle DBC is equal to angle ACB, both 90 degree, C angle 90 degree given. Just a while ago in 2 we have proved that B also 90 degree. So these two will be both 90 degree. This side is equal to this side, this angle is equal to this angle. Let's look at BC side. BC side is common for both the triangle. Look at BC side. BC side is common for both the triangle. So I'll write BC is equal to BC, common. So this side is common for both the triangle. If I see ACB in ACB triangle, BC side is there. In BDC triangle also BC side is there. So both will be same side. So it is common side. Now look at here. Therefore I can write. Therefore triangle DBC congruent triangle ACB. So these two triangles are congruent. What rule? The rule is side angle side again. Side angle side. Look at this. Side angle side. Side angle side. So side angle side rule number 3 is also over. Next, last part, number 4. Number 4 is fourth part. It is also very simple one. Number 4, since we have done the most complicated part, now it is very simple one to solve number 4 as well. So now we have got both the triangles are similar, DBC and triangle DBC. Fourth part is what we have to prove. CM is equal to half of AB. CM is equal to half of AB. So we have proved DBC congruent triangle. DBC congruent triangle ACB. We have proved it. Triangle ACB. Both the triangles are congruent. Already we have proved in 3. Now, since both the triangles are congruent, I can write therefore AB is equal to what I can write? AB is equal to CD. I can write AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD. Why I have written AB is equal to CD? Look at this. AB side is in triangle ABC and CD side is in triangle BDC. CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangles. These are corresponding part of congruent triangles. So I can write. That's why both the sides are equal. CPCT. Next one, after using CPCT, next one, what I will do, you see here. AB is equal to CD I have written. Now look at this step very carefully. AB is equal to, in place of CD, what I can write? Look at CD. CD, M is the midpoint. M is the midpoint, right? So in the first question only we have got CD. CD in here, in case of CD, it is given already that CM is equal to DM. CM is equal to DM. So in that place I can write, in place of CD I can write, CM plus DM. CM plus DM. CD is, the CD part is divided into 2 parts by point M, that is CM and DM. So now in place of CM and DM, in place of DM what I will put? CM. So that will be CM plus CM. This implies AB is equal to twice CM. So from there what I will get, AB, C, these two I will take it on this side. If I take it on this side, it will be AB divided by 2 is equal to CM. That is what we are supposed to prove. So that is CM is equal to half of AB. That is what we are supposed to prove in fourth case. Very simple one. Hope this will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.